Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a turban headband with elastic using velvet fabric. Stay tuned. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Prepare the fabric. I use velvet fabric for this turban headband. You can use other non-stretch fabric because we are going to put elastic on the back of the turban headband. I prefer to use thick fabric. The first thing is we need to determine the direction of fabric. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 8 inches and the length is head circumference plus 4 inches or 10 centimeters. So if the head circumference is 18 inches, the length of this fabric will be 22 inches. If the head circumference is 45 centimeters, the length of this fabric will be 55 centimeters. Prepare another piece of fabric. The size is 3 inches or 8 centimeters and the length is 8 inches or 20 centimeters. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here and here. Turn the fabric. Non-stretch fabric is quite difficult to turn, so I use a loop turner like this. Just put this inside and grab the fabric and pull the fabric. Prepare an elastic band with the size 4 inches or 10 centimeters. And I put the pin here. I will put this elastic inside this fabric. I will hold the elastic using a pin and push the pin to the other side of fabric. Stitch here and here to secure the elastic. This is the wrong side of our turban headband and this is the right side. Tie a loose knot . With the right sides facing us. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. With the wrong side facing us, put it here and fold the fabric. Stitch this and this to secure the fabric. I have stitched this and this. Cut the excess fabric. And turn the fabric. And our turban headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban headband tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell. I used velvet. I use velvet fabric.